How to reset Messenger pin code to sync chat history. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can reset your pin code in order for you to sync your chat history. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Messenger app and get logged into your Messenger account. Tap on 3-bar icon on your top left, then tap on settings icon on your top right. Now at this page, under Preferences, tap open the option of Privacy and Safety. As you do so, you will see end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap open it, tap on Message Storage. Here you will see Reset PIN under Security Methods. Tap open the Reset PIN option and create yourself a PIN. Now confirm your PIN again. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.